Introduce. The tattoo lining machine has short spring and less wrap coils, and more powerful. The tattoo shading machine has long spring and more wrap coils, and a higher frequency. Two. Install the tattoo kit. 1. Wear the nitride gloves. 2. Put the tattoo tip and stem into the tattoo tube separately. Then, tighten the screws by Allen key. 3. Choose the correct tattoo needles and tattoo tips. For example, we would like to line, and we can choose 3RL tattoo needles and 3RT tattoo tips. The size name are printed in the package, and it is easy to recognize. 4. Make the needle go through the tube. Loose the tube clamp on the machine, then make the tattoo tube pass through the hole. 5. Insert a tattoo needle nipple into the top of needle bar. Then, insert armature bar into the same nipple. 6. At this moment, needle point cannot be out. Stroke length is 2 mm when tattoo machine works. Then, tighten the tube clamp. Using an Allen key to tighten all the screws in the tattoo machine. 7. We can tie the needle to the machine with 1 or 3 rubber bands to prevent tattoo needles shake too heavily. 8. Power cord must be plugged properly, or there won't be electricity. Voltage can be adjusted by twisting the power supply knob. 9. Insert clip cord into the 2 holes at the back of tattoo machine. There are no any differences between the 2 hooks. 10. Insert tattoo foot pedal into power supply. Tattoo machines work only when foot pedal is pressed. Also, you can step on the foot pedal when you want tattoo machine to work. 11. If the tattoo machine does not work well, please adjust the contact screw. The contact screw should touch the top of the front spring, and the armature bar and the coil cannot be too close, at least 2.5 mm of the gap. If they are too close, please adjust the contact screw. The tattoo machine is good when you hear a clear sound. 3. Start to practice. 1. Remove the paper in the middle of the transfer paper. 2. Put the paper with pattern on the transfer paper and sketch the pattern. 3. Apply the tattoo transfer stick to the practice skin evenly. Put the paper with the pattern on the practice skin and press the paper evenly. Do not move the paper. Then, the pattern will be transferred to the practice skin. 4. Shake the tattoo ink before using. 5. Pour the tattoo ink into the ink caps. 6. Dip a bit of tattoo ink. Don't dip too much. 7. Clean the skin with a facial tissue. If you still don't know why Tattoo Kit doesn't work, you can contact us by email, Facebook, and Amazon for help. Warning: we do not recommend beginners to tattoo on human skin if there are no professional prepare working and professional aftercare. The wound may be infected and damage the skin.